Did you know that one of the most common issues found during NDIS audits is a lack of effective training and understanding among support workers? To tackle this issue, our experts at LMS TRG have developed a series of short, self-paced online courses introducing the 9 Essentials Induction Kit, designed to improve training effectiveness and reduce the burden of compliance on providers. The program is made for support workers, supervisors, and managers seeking to enhance their understanding and capabilities in providing supports. Topics covered include manual handling, incidents and accidents management, and more. The best part, our course allows you to learn at your own pace whenever and wherever you want on your laptop, tablet, or phone. Upon successfully completing each quiz, you will receive a certificate of completion validating your knowledge and skills. No more time-consuming in-person training. With the 9 Essentials Kit, you save time and money without any scheduling conflicts or travel expenses. LMS TRG, pioneering in online compliance training. Contact us today and achieve compliance with the 9 Essentials Induction Kit.